So friends, if you are using PhonePe application, and in PhonePe application, if you have added multiple bank account, and over here, if you want to do self transfer, or else if you want to transfer money from your one bank account to your other bank account and you don't know how to do it, then no need to worry. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. I'm going to tell you everything. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open PhonePe application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. Once the login is complete, this is how the interface will look like, and it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now, as I said, if you have added multiple bank account in PhonePe application and if you want to transfer money from your one bank account to another bank account, then the process for that is on the homepage itself, you get an option of to bank and self account. So all you have to do is just simply select that particular option, and over here at the top you get two options. One is to self bank account and another one is to account number and IFSC, which means if you want to transfer money to some other person or to other bank account which is not yours, then in that case you can select the second option. But if you want to transfer money from your bank account to your other bank account which is already present in PhonePe, then in that case you need to select to self bank account. So as soon as you select that, the first option is to self bank account. So you have to select the account over here to which you want to transfer the amount. In my case, I want to transfer money to HDFC bank account, which is my account, and over here it will ask me to enter amount which I want to transfer. So I want to transfer 5,000 rupees from my other bank account to my HDFC account. If you want to add message, you can do that. That is optional. Once you enter the amount, just simply tap on proceed to pay, and over here you need to select the account from which you want the amount to be debited. So I want to transfer money from my IDFC bank to HDFC bank. So I have already selected IDFC First Bank over here. After selecting the bank, simply tap on pay option. Uh, Over here it will ask you to enter 4-digit or 6-digit UPI PIN, which you have to enter, and tap on submit. So I have entered the UPI PIN. Let's tap on submit option, and now you can see the transaction is successful. So all I have done is I have simply added multiple bank account in PhonePe application, and I have transferred money from my own account to other bank account which is my own account. So this is how easy it is to do self transfer in PhonePe application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.